Hi everyone, in this video we will learn how to automatically change wallpaper of desktop. There is one service called Spotlight by Microsoft. By default it will be available in settings. We just need to apply it. Right now it's in slideshow. For that we need to change, go to settings, personalize background, and here instead of slideshow put on Windows Spotlight. Now you don't have to do anything. Images will automatically changed. This will comes from directly from online, so you don't have to do anything. Images will automatically changed based on Microsoft. Whatever they have made for Spotlight, based on their settings, automatically wallpapers will change. Definitely it will require internet to download the images to apply on desktop. So internet connection is required for this. Whenever the internet will available, it will automatically download and keep it for you. This is how we can apply Windows Spotlight. Thank you for watching, guys.